A warm welcome from my side. My name is Brno and I'm the head of product management for automated cabinet building at Weidmüller. I really like to welcome you to our smart cabinet building days here in Brno. Before we have a look at our solutions, I'd like to give you some overview about our smart cabinet building initiative. First of all, I'd like to take a look at the current situation of cabinet buildings. From our point of view, cabinet builders are more than ever before in a pronounced field of tension. So, for example, we have increasing requirements regarding documentation, we have increasing cost pressure, and we have increasing problems with the lack of unskilled people. From our point of view, the best way to help our customers is to combine the competence and know-how of several experts. That's the reason why we set up the Smart Cabinet Building Initiative together with CONNECT, leading company for automated wire processing, Klippon in the field of digital engineering of control cabinets, and Armbruster Engineering, one of the leading companies for assisted workplaces where the operator is guided by pick-to-light solutions, screens and anything else. Our target of our initiative is we want to enable our customers to produce faster, more flexible and more economical. Together with our partner companies, we are already able to provide our customers today integrated solutions from engineering to wiring. One further point is very important. For sure, we like together with you identify optimization potentials in your production. But we from Smart Cabinet Building are also able to provide you solutions that you can already order today. So later you won't see only some showcases, you will see products that you can really order. For us, at Smart Cabinet Building, the whole circle of cabinet building is very important. So we are talking about engineering, logistic and mechanical assembly, component assembly, component marking, wiring and even pre-wiring, and the final assembly in the cabinet. And based on that, I would like you together with you to move over and have a look at the different machines. The first thing which I like to show to you is our Klippon Automated RailAssembler. So our answer for an economical automation of the assembly of terminals on a rail. Our machine has in total 40 magazines for different terminals and 18 magazines for pre-cutted DIN rails. We have some special kind of magazines which are very smart. So we have universal magazines that can handle different terminals without any mechanical preparation. Furthermore, we have an optimized handling. For example, during transportation, no terminals can fall down. But these are just some of the examples. Based on our machine, it's very easy to do the automated assembly of DIN rails. We are using the data from our Weidmüller configurator, prepare everything at the machine and just have to press the start button and then the machine starts with the operation. So let's move over and see how the machine is operating. Another highlight of our machine is a special kind for a gripper. For sure, it makes a difference if a human or a machine has to handle this kind of terminals. We're using a special kind of gripper which consists of several slices, and based on that we have a very universal solution. Our Klippon Automated RailAssembler is taking care of the high runner components. For the further components we are using some assisted workplace which I like to show to you now. So at the next station we are using again the DIN rail. Just scan it and the machine automatically knows which components are still missing. Just put the DIN rail on the table and we are showing the operator which component he has to grab where, how many pieces and where to place it. So it's very easy to do the right thing. And even the torque is measured as well. Also for cross connectors we support the operator. For example, here we have a cross connector that have 5 pins, but we see there only 3 pins has to still be there. So we're showing the operator by lighted bars which pins he has to remove to really make sure that he's doing the right thing. After we have the final assembly of all of the components, next process step is component marking. There I would like to show you our Klippon Automated RailLaser for fully automated marking. If customers are using our A series as a DL version, they receive terminal blocks with pre-assembled blank markers on it. If they are using this kind of component, the only thing they have to do for the component marking is just put inside the DIN rail, fix it and press the start button. All other steps are conducted fully automated. So first of all, the machine is checking for each marker the real position, compares this position with the position in the digital twin, and is doing fully automated the required adjustment. So we really can be sure that we mark directly in the middle of each marker. Based on our machine, customers can have time savings up to 90%. So from our point of view, we are really talking about the next level of fully automated marking with this machine. And even the marking itself has some really big advantages. The marking is very robust and you don't have to buy special markers. Due to a special laser source, you can use our standard marking material from the Weidmüller family. After the component marking, we now like to show to you our solution for fully assisted mounting plate assembly. So after the component marking, we come to the process step of assisted mounting plate assembly. After we scanned the production order, we are showing to the operator again which component the operator has to grab. For example, a cable duct, how many pieces, which tool he has to use, and of course, where he has to place it. For bigger electrical components, we are also scanning, for example, serial number, so that you have the right traceability. And again, we are showing where we have to put this component. And even for the wire processing itself, we have a very smart solution with our wire processing center. It consists of cutting machine, crimping machine and the right printer. You can use all these systems in standalone mode, but our proposal is to have their one-piece flow. So if I just start production, first of all the machine is cutting, the machine is crimping, and you could see it over there. Also the right markers are already printed. And based on that, we have a smart and flexible solution even for the topic of wire processing. For sure, also our system has the right interfaces, especially to ePlan, Zuken and also some other eCAD systems as well. We saw various solutions in the field of automated and assisted assembly of components, automated marking, assisted assembly of further components on a mounting plate and even wire processing. So all of these components enable you to produce faster, more flexible and more economical. So what you're waiting for?